Hello! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the controls menu. Now, scroll through this menu by swiping on the screen, find the airplane mode icon. It looks like the airplane. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. This will open this menu. Here, tap on the switch next to airplane mode to flick it on. And then you can press the done button or press the crown button to go back. As you can see, the airplane mode icon in the controls menu changed the color. This indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go back to watch face, you will see also this airplane mode icon at the top, which also tells you that the mode is enabled. And that's how you enable the airplane mode. To disable it, simply open the controls menu, scroll down and tap on the airplane mode icon. And then you can press the crown button to go back. And as you can see, the icon changed the color to gray, and also this icon from watch face disappeared, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.